Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video, and today we're back with another tech gear spotlight. I'm checking out a new chair I just received from eWin. Thank you guys so much for sending out this chair, and this one is the Champion Upgraded Series Gaming Office Chair. If you spend hours editing video, modding consoles, or having gaming marathons, this might be the throne you've been needing, so let's dive in. So it arrives in a huge box as expected, and I pulled everything out, and right off the bat I noticed the heavy duty aluminum wheelbase and hubless casters. They look so premium and the materials feel high quality, so we're taking heavy gauge frame, thick cold cure foam padding, and what eWin calls their stain resistant 2.0 PU leather upholstery. The assembly was pretty straightforward. There were magnetic cover panels all labeled, and if you built a desk or done a console shell swap, you might be fine doing this solo. Now let's go through some of the standout features of this chair. So there is height adjustment via the SGS Class 4 gas lift, rated for users approximately 4 feet 11 inches up to 6 feet 11 inches. The recline is up to 155-degree backrest tilt, perfect if you want to lean back, take a breather, or even nap. 15-degree rocking mode plus a locking multi-tilt mechanism so you can set your position and bounce lightly. 4D adjustable PU padded armrests. You can change height, depth, width, angle, and really useful whether gaming or editing. Memory foam magnetic head pillow. The mag lift memory headrest is slow rebound foam with magnet attachment so it stays steady and comfortable. It's pretty insane how this works with all the magnets. And finally, the heavy duty wheelbase and premium casters. The wheel plate is aluminum certified and the hubless casters roll smooth even on carpet. In short, this chair is very adjustable, built to last, and stylish enough to match a high-end studio or a gaming setup. Now for my workflow, I do a lot of video editing, console modding and repairs, shoot videos for YouTube, and I also volunteer teaching youth how to build PCs. So that means long hours at the desk, shifting between tasks, and having a chair that adapts to sitting upright for editing, then leaning back for reviewing footage or gaming between jobs is a huge win. So I've been testing this for a few months now, and I just absolutely love this chair because it just feels so comfortable, and the cold cure foam felt supportive and didn't flatten out like some of these other cheaper chairs I've tried. The armrests, being able to slide them in and out and angle them, meant while soldering or working on a PS Vita shell wasn't fighting my arms. The head pillow is great when I lean back to review a video and my neck didn't ache. And for reclining, I used the 155-degree tilt to lean back and watch B-roll footage, and didn't feel any weird pressure in my lower back. The only heads up is if you're super short, for example under 5 feet 3 inches, you might find the seat deep. According to specs, the model is recommended for approximately 5 foot 3 inches to 6 foot 5 inches. So smaller users might need to adjust or add a cushion. Overall, it genuinely feels like a professional grade chair rather than a gaming gimmick. The quality backs it up. So here are the pros. Extremely adjustable and comfortable for long sessions. High quality materials like leather, foam, and the frame. Great for multitasks like gaming and or work editing. Stylish and has a nice premium look. So here are the cons. Price is a little bit higher than basic chairs, but you pay for a build quality. Might be too bulky, deep for very short users. It has a gaming aesthetic. If you're after ultra minimal corporate office vibes, you might find it a bit flashy. Requires assembly, but that's standard for most chairs nowadays. So here is my final verdict and who's it for. If you're someone who edits long hours, does tech console work, streams or games seriously, or just wants a chair built to last and perform, then yes, I recommend the eWin Champion Upgraded Series. It handles dual roles, work and play effortlessly. If you're more casual or budget is ultra tight, you might find a cheaper chair sufficient, but you'll likely miss out on the durability and the ergonomics this one offers. Personally, for my studio and workflow, this one is a solid investment. So overall, I really do enjoy this chair. It's extremely comfortable, and for the price, you get quality, and it is a little bit more expensive than most of those gaming chairs out there with that kind of the gaming gimmick, but this one just feels premium, and I compare it a lot to my Secret Lab because that's the chair I've been rocking for several years now, which I'll show you guys here in just a minute. But that one was pretty expensive. It almost came out to be like $700 just for that one, but I love that chair's aesthetics, and that's the reason why I got it, because of the really cool dragon on the back, which Secret Lab kind of gets you with all those really cool kind of themed out chairs. But for overall with this one, it just seems a little bit more comfortable in my opinion. I've been using this for the last 6 months and I just love it. And I really use the Secret Lab just as a backup for my repairs and things like that on my other station, which is a huge mess right now. But yeah, I'd recommend you guys checking out Ewin. They do have some really awesome chairs, and I've reviewed several chairs throughout the years on this channel, and I gotta say that this is by far one of the best chairs that has been sent to me, and I just love the quality of it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below and check out the link with the discount code in the description down below. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.